to tell people that maybe you need to tell them that you've broken everything. And they're like, why would I ever have to tell anybody that I've broken everything? Why would I ever need to update documentation? Why would I ever need to do anything? Jesus fucking Christ, guys. God damn it. Pisses me off. Fuck these people. What? What am I doing? I mean, what? It's just a hyphen date. Or oh, that's right. It's hyphen date. I brought that thing down, but this is so crazy. So crazy. Super easy to do this. You guys are crazy. What else is there here? Yeah, that's fine. And like, I need to tell these people. What's this? Why is it not my live stream? What the fuck's going on with this thing? Why is everything so fucking broken? How hard is this, guys? No. Jesus Christ. And you can't fucking enter the FFmpeg wiki without like being in a special club. Oh, hold on. Maybe you can. How many project? Maybe I'm already in there. Let me see. Oh. Oh, I can remember both. Are you kidding? Must master known account. So what? I can't. Oh, register. Let me see. Project name. FFmpeg. How many was the big head? 2. Whoops. Let me open. 2. Don't I have it in here? Oh, is this just the track account? Is this the wiki that we're looking for? Oh, no, it's a wiki. Okay. So it's this one. So they're doing both with the Python track. Oh my god! What are you guys doing? I think that they're just blocking on email. And that they're not doing like email queuing. That's it. That was exactly what it was. Guys, that's not how you write that code. Holy shit. So where is it? I knew it went out because you guys stalled for 35 seconds. But it's not coming through. Oh, I see. Oh my god. Why do I... No, I'm not going to change my password. I just gave you a password. Verify your email. An email. Of course it was sent to my... Of course it was. That's why it was blocked. Alright. Oh my gosh. And now that I know this is an open fucking thing, I can remove that stupid comment that I did in Fury. Where is it? No, not you, buddy. Where did it go? Is it here? No, it was on SO. But I can't find it because... What was this stuff? Oh, here it is, delete. Yeah, I don't need that. Alright, well, I can go in here and do it myself. But also, that'll tell me what it was. God. Where is it? What am I looking at here? I don't get it. Who cares? Did it close? I was just looking at it a few seconds ago. I know what it is. It's this line right here. Global header. Flags, global headers. Let's do it this way. Cool. So this one right here. Then supposing I'm logged in. Cool. So can I edit it? Edit this page. Fantastic. Alright, so down here, it's not that, it's not that, it's not that. There's a few things here that I don't like. First of all, they put the BA in here twice, which is stupid. Where was that? Where was it? Right. Where was it? Here it is. So they got it. No. Here it is. AR. Let's keep consistency with the above. So we do that. So I don't want these lines to look dramatically different from each other. Okay, cool. So that's one thing. And I guess it would be remove duplicate BA from a line. So I can do that, submit the changes, and then I'll go back and then I'll add the real stuff. Oh my god, look at how slow this thing is. Oh, that's right, you can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Oh my god, for version 13. How exciting. Edit this page. I like how they're running this on a Raspberry Pi or something. A Pentium 90. Okay, so here is where I need to do that line. It's right before the key. Boop, and say, and I'm just going to put that stuff in there because that was super important and nothing works without it. Outputting to multiple streams, services, and local files. Let's put a global headers. And say global headers. What is a global header for? It produces global headers in an extra data instead of never defined. But what is the actual purpose? Out of bands opposed to in bands. This format specific and has for that. Examples, yeah, But that's for FLV. So it says here, and I know that's not going to do without it. So, like, it's just not going to work without that one. Oh, come on. What did I just type in? Global header. Okay, so some encoders may need different options depending on the output format. The auto detection cannot work with TMUX. Oh, the auto detection of this cannot work, so they need to be explicit. Okay. Alright. There it is. Note. Some encoders, since some encoders, since cannot work with the auto detection of this, so I have to figure out what this is. So TMUX does not represent any particular output format of FFM, but cannot also select the output stream. So all streams intended for output must be explicitly in the map. Might need different options. The auto detection of this cannot work with TMUX. So the main example is a global header flag. So instead of right here, here it is. So you can say, and the auto detection of what? Of what? Of what? Stream video over network and save disk at the same time. It is different from specifying several outputs CFFM picking out. Stream video encoded only once, correct. With conventional multiple outputs, multiple encoding, operations in parallel are initiated, which can be very, yes. The TMUXer is not useful when delivering as soon as possible for the same packet and so forth. Yes. Right. Since the TMUXer does not represent any particular output format, FFM cannot select output streams. So all streams intended, yes. Some encoders may need different options depending on the output format. Okay, fine. But I guess the it doesn't actually explain what the global headers flag is. Is that the only? That's the only part of the entire documentation that exists. Isn't that crazy? Like, it doesn't tell me anything else. Like I have to get the, I guess I gotta like clone it, because this is the formal documentation. So I guess, here, fuck it, here, I don't give a shit. Oh god, Jesus Christ. Yeah, just do that. 237? God damn. No. Cancel. Cancel. Download snapshot. 10.9, that's much better. Alright. So we can do this thing, R, X, D, F. Alright. FFmpeg, F, or rep. Oh, come on. Global headers. What does it do? Okay, fine. I'll put it later. Oh yeah, fuck you too. And that's what it says, is place global headers and extra data instead of every keyframe. Well, what's the extra data? FLB. No. Right. For AV, right. I'm not only putting. Right, but what are we talking about here? So, like, as far as like the actual stream goes, you know, that's the thing I'm curious about. Like, why isn't it not only for parts, only accepts extra data from frame? So there's an extra data patch. Let's just see what we get from the download config. So let's just see what the hell's going on here. So we do this thing, and we have this little forces every line. So we can do, oh, it's some docs. We've got some docs up here. Add extra data to all bitstream. That Pexi, whatever that is. Data. Dump extra. This is item key from extra. Key packets. Beginning of the filter pattern. No. Extract the inbound. No. Long-term headers. We transfer the inbound as part of the bitstream continuous code files or other the container level. Yeah, it's got to be that way because the RTMPs is like a separate relationship. That's why. So yeah, so that's it. So you got to say something like since FFmpeg has a different relationship with each RTMP server. The long-term headers need to be outside. That's the same level. That's whatever. In the extra data. This is achieved. global header flag. Which is very likely required based on your encoding, which very likely will be necessary based on your encoding options. Based upon your encoding options. Alright. Updating documentation. That was like an hour of my time trying to figure that shit out. It's always nice when there's like when the wikis are open. What was it? I think it was like there was this one thing I was dealing with the other day, and the wiki wasn't open at all, and it's just like I had to like I don't know, like rub elbows with the right person in order to like update documentation. I was like, like fuck these people. Like seriously, like do you want to have working software or not? Updating the multiple RTMP examples, the FP are with the disclaimer about extra data headers with the global header flag. All right. Submit changes. How lovely. RTMP screencasting switch. It would be really cool if they had like, you know, OnlyFans, RedTube in there. So funny. Yeah, I stream with Twitch and you know, and Xtube at the same time. Let's see. All right, so now I don't feel like jumping off a bridge anymore, which is so nice. What's going on over here? Nothing? Nothing for that to me. What a surprise. Stream's current bitrate? Yeah, of course it's shit. Because I told you to be shit. Because I thought that's what it was related to. So, I guess what I can do now is I could probably make it like not so shitty. Probably looks like crap on Twitch too, doesn't it? Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that compression. Alright, so let's try this. Let's try to move this thing up to I don't know. 2. We'll move this thing to I don't know, let's do 800. That should be fine. Like don't completely. And let's see if it got confused. Oh, it did get confused. Oh, fuck YouTube. What about YouTube? Is YouTube confused? No, YouTube was fine. But this one was. And I probably have to like now go back in. You bitches. This is not the most awesome technology I've ever seen in my life. Let's see what's going on now. Okay, I'm still getting this like bizarre staticky sound. Oh, the microphone problem. I don't even have a clip microphone. Hello? Okay, so that's why. Now let me just look at the connections a little bit closer. And it's not coming from Go Mic, is it? I think it is. because this is, well, hold on. I think that I'm not being able to mix in. What's going on here? Oh, did I fuck with that one when I didn't want to? Oh no, it's fine. I'm just listening to my local stuff. So there. So now we have everything's working. I would have never thought that was going to happen today. I was ready to slip my wrists. Like this was. Okay, so let's see. Where are we at with quality? Is it not trash? That's okay. It's still not great. What happened? Why did it go away? There you are. And it still says an NA of the bitrate, which is fine. This is complete up bitrate, which is fine. Let's just do this. So this thing says 630, which is okay. Maybe one of the things I also want to do is raise the number to this one right here to like 160. Does that? The examples had this at 160. Then I can move maybe this one up to 1000, and I don't think I really need the X25 params. I think this is nonsense. I think I dropped that. And I think that I could just call this thing really fast and just be done with things. And let's just try this again. Okay. No. No, it should be there. Like everything should be fine. Stop complaining. Okay, good. So the audio's a bit better, but I'm still getting these like bizarre drops. And I don't know if that's because of my upstream. Look at that. Why is it 1.5? What the fuck are you doing, guy? Yeah, I don't think that that's a reasonable request that I'm making to this thing. I mean, not that I had like this kind of bit rate, but maybe I. Yeah, it says I'm getting like 40, which, I mean, I'm asking for 1. You'd think that like 1 is a smaller number than 40. I don't know, like, I thought that 1 was a smaller number than 40. Maybe it's not. Maybe 1's a bigger number than 40. I don't know. You never know these days.
Under a groove.
What the fuck? Why can't you go to live? This technology doesn't really work that well, you know that. Oh, is it working now? Okay, so now the real goal is to make sure that I'm not going to get that. Oh, let me flip this around. And hopefully, I'm not going to get that stupid static sound anymore. No, it's still coming through. Fuck this thing. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's... Oh, you know what it is? I think it's the electric interference between these devices. So if I put the wire away from everything, then we're not going to get any more. That really sounds like an interference sound. So also I'm going to see if like this is just a Twitch thing. That would be interesting. So let me go to YouTube. So let me go to YouTube and see if we get this like, because it keeps dropping out and like I can't keep up with it and I don't know what to take from that. So yeah, that's where the static was from. It was from that connection. The proximity of the electricity. And now the YouTube isn't dropping out, but okay. So what I want to do, so let's just ignore this problem for now, and just assume that Twitch will figure its own fucking self out. And what I want to do now is just exit this, and god damn, Joe Biden looks like he's 500 years old. The next thing I want to do is make sure that like, what the hell is a dupe, by the way? Because it's like, I almost think, what does a dupe mean? FFmpeg dupe. Because like, I'm getting 3 or 4 seconds. Yeah, what the hell does that mean? Dupe. Dupe frames and drop none. Doesn't have a perfectly consistent frame rate. It's not really anything to worry about. Yeah, I know. Okay, fine. But we said that, is that because, let me go back over here. So we have all this other crap here. I could just move it down to, I don't know, like a different number. I thought this buff size would help us with the fuck up. Let's just bring this thing down to 15. Screw it. I don't care anymore. 15. Oh yeah, what was that, like 15 million? Yeah, it's not going to be that crazy. Like, the kind of stuff that I'm doing does not need any more than that. Now, I'd rather have a high drop rate than a high dupe rate, because that seems to be a, that's just about efficiency. I think what I can do, oh, and here's the other part, is that I'm doing a frame rate, I should probably move that up to fixed sources. So then, I've got both of them around the same rate. And I don't really care if the drop rate on the video is shit. because this, like here, this is fine. I still kind of hate the fact that this microphone is going all wacky on me. Let me see if the Twitch thing is fixed there. Let me see what's going on here. I don't want to have any of these stupid delays. Let's see what happens. Okay, so this I don't care about anymore. Because that did not work. I want to mix that thing in a bit more. Hold on. What the fuck are you doing, microphone? Let me try a different microphone and see if this is, if it's like unique to this. This is bullshit. Yeah, these aren't the most expensive pieces of hardware. For microphones, at least. No, there it is. It's still there. Let me mute the mic and see if I can still get it. It's pretty clearly just a microphone. And I don't think it has anything to do with the USB device that I have hooked up. I don't think so. Hold on, let me just put this thing away. I've got two of those. I've got a second one. So I don't... I'd have to test it somehow. Independent of this, I think. And it's not consistent. It's just this like strange sort of inconsistent static. But it's also on this really shitty extension, which I can dump and go directly into that bus. But the thing that I'm so sort of impressed by is that it's like an analog static, which is not what I'd be expecting. So hold on, let me just do this thing. It's going to kill the microphone. So now it should be back on. And then I have eliminated this. Oh no! There it is! Could it be also related? Or like, it's a really weird static, you know? Let me see what I'm doing here. So we have recording. USB line in, kill. USB audio microphone, kill. Monitor built-in analog, kill. Go mic, kill. Kill this one. I could add some latency, but that's not going to change shit. Maybe this. And then just pump it up over here. And then pump it up over here. But make sure that the input is below the 100. Right, and then bring this thing up. That's what I want to bring up. Everything before that I don't care about. It's just the last one, which is to the encoder. Get the mix right and then bring it in like that. Okay, so then a little bit more of this. And at that point, then I can do a little bit over here, maybe. And is this my microphone? That's my microphone, yeah. So that's everything. So bring that up. Then bring this thing down. Maybe to here? And make sure that none of this stuff gets confused. I think that's it. I think that's it. Oh God. And if I sit down, I still get a bit of static, which is fine, because that's the nature of sitting down, I guess. Oh, and it hasn't like sort of crapped out on me recently, which is good. So that's nice. So let me just take this thing off. Hopefully it's not too irritating for people. Let me plug this thing in there. So, the other thing I wanted to do is I took some of this code and I put it on it's like this bizarre thing where I actually put it over here, and now it's gonna yeah, it's gonna have like a huge conflict. No, screw you. Screw you. I haven't pushed it upstream. No, yeah, I have. Or freebase false. Freebase true. I have unstaged commits. No. No way. I don't believe you. I just do not believe you. Right. Oh, because they already pulled them up. Okay, so that one's gonna, so let's bring it over. Oh, fuck you, really. Move screencast prompt to screencast prompts. Right. So that's the first one I needed to do. Then I took this stuff out. Oh my god, this is a pain in the ass. Like, oh yeah, that's exactly what I wanted to see. So that's going to put stream out. And this is going to be called vout. Correct. Yeah, that's good. Right. So then what I wanted to do down here, that's right, is right, final is the correct way to do things. Right, and this part right here, right. Right, and that's going to go into my CamOps, which is my part, which is basically I need to update my screen prompt, cast props, which has my super secrets in there, so you can't see this. But what I want to do is do CamOps of this. And also I want to like skip this thing. I'm getting really annoyed by this. It's okay. So then what I want to do is, yeah, I don't need that, you're right. But no, which one's the newer one? This is the newer one? This is the newer one, cool. So that's fine. Actually, yes, that I do want. And I don't really care about the setX that exposes my key into the output, which is kind of funky. I don't want to have that possible hole. I can go away with it. What's different? Oh, that's right. I did the underscore thing for stuff that was used. And right now, we're going to do use phone equals 0. Right. Correct. So we also need a grab width equals 4320. And grab height is 2430. That's fine. And then this thing. Oh, you can't even see all my code. That's. Now I can't see all my code. What the hell's going on with my life? Let me go over here and then try this. Now we can see. Now we can both sort of see some of it some of the time. So, yeah, I need that thing to go over, except what I want to have is, this thing's at 15 now, yeah, I know. cam rotate. Cool. And we're going to call the rotate to be, yes, rotate is actually, in fact, going to be one of these. What's my yeah, rotate. But I feel like that it was like, transpose, no, it's that one. That was the other camera. So then I want to do, I still don't like this. Thank you, little one. It's like, not always amazing. And that's just cleanup. That's just comment cleanup. Comments the first thing to code wrong. Right, that's a camera thing that I put down here, my secret file. Dev video 5. And my virtual composite, which I also put down to my secret file. Right, so I can remove those from here. Then, right, this becomes an underscore. Then, this right here. I need to assign these things over there too, so I'm going to do the pop and width and height. I was using a laptop that is from, I think, like 2013, so it's 13 something by 768. And I realized that, like, it's not worth just upscaling. It doesn't make any sense. So, and then this was a cam ratio here, which here is 16 by 9. But there's a trick here because Bash doesn't support why can't I speak? 9 times 1,000 doesn't support fractions. So you gotta like upsample it. So right here upsampling 5,000. Go down sampling 5,000. So cam height. Do that, that's fine. And then we can pull this entire thing over there. And then I can do cam width and cam height, which right now is at, I don't know. List format extend, no. Devices. Correct. Formats extend, D, dev, video 5. Now 5. 1920 by 1080 is what we're capturing at. Cool. So, we are capturing at cam ratio. Where is that thing? Yeah, cam width. There it is. I'm going to put that in the very bottom just in case I do this silly thing of bringing this into people's views. 1920 by 1080. No, by, what was it? What the hell was it? I'm looking at this file right there. So that's 1080. We do that. Actually, let me go to height identical camera height, which is now defined. Well, yeah, it is. So then we have up here, we have, yeah, that's correct. We don't need this, but we're going to define it. Oh, dest. So I have to make, it doesn't really matter. I can do dest equals stream, for instance. Dest equals stream. That's fine. Then that's fine. Stream out. Correct. That's fine. Let's just kind of like go down here and make sure nothing here I forgot. No. Correct. That's all the new stuff. Correct. So I guess the only thing I want to do now is give it consistency of form, which means that over here we're going to use this as a Twitch key and a Twitch URL with the underscore. Or my key, I should say. Okay. And now the real question is, let's just walk around. Okay, get status, get add. No identity test. Right, the setX is gone. That's gone. And let me make sure it's streaming. I have no idea. So let me go over here. And because it doesn't like to, there's a delay, it just doesn't fucking work. Oh, come on now. Come on. Oh, there it is live. Good. So do that. And that worked. Fantastic. So, what we tested is this in Tmux? No, it's not. There we are. Now you'll see me back. And we can do knit in screencast and say updating or muxed output to multiple RTMP. Hit push. And there it is. How lovely. It's been good times. Not really. Kind of want to, get frustrated by things. Kind of the process of learning, right? It's like you're not frustrated, you aren't learning. Kind of like oh my god. I need the bathroom. Go back. Let me go powder my nose. Alright. Alright, so what about I don't know. Yeah, let me do something. Let me play something that's not boring while I walk away for a bit and get some food. It's all broken now. Don't give me that shit. I don't want you to do that. Come on. So what I want to do there is just do G. Alright, what if I do that? And while that's coming... Oh, that was it. Oh, good. Awesome. No, it gets so crazy. There it is. Warning. Streams current bit rate. Okay, that's fine. I thought it was gonna give me like copyright. Doesn't happen for me sometimes. I hope that was like not terribly boring. I'm still eating, by the way. Like I just got the food. That was it. That's all I did. It's kind of interesting. I think I like the fact that on Twitch, like it's only a 14-day thing and it just like disappears after that. I don't think that's bad. It's kind of Snapchat-y, right? I mean, I guess it encourages shit to be worthless. I don't know. You know, there's a lot of like things where it effectively encourages low-quality content. Or empowers a low-quality content. I don't know what that meant. that fixes it. You know what? I know there's a lot of RF sort of issues. Let's see if like killing the speakers. I need to bring that up like a lot more. Yeah, it like really sort of screws with the Wi-Fi. And I could probably fix it within one night. There's some shielding on it, but I just haven't done it yet. Oh, I'm not playing this for the video. Who'd be watching if I didn't have a basic video on? Oh, it's fine, I'll only be watching. I'm talking to myself. You know, every day I got more and more of this technology working. Pretty exciting, huh? Oh, there it is. Stop it. Stop it. Fuck you!
IBM has introduced a more powerful version of RTPC workstation, which, compared with its predecessor, offers more than double the processing speed, up to 8 times the floating point performance, 4 times the RAM capacity, and 4 times faster disk-to-memory transfer rates. In this demonstration, identical benchmark programs are running on the older Model 25.
But I'd have to go all the way up.
And 14-inch color displays. The upgraded IBM RTPC is based on a new 32-bit RISC-type CPU developed by IBM using 1-micron CMOS technology. This chip runs at 10 MHz and delivers 4.5 MIPS. The system's standard floating point processor is a 20 MHz Motorola 68881 chip, but there is also an optional floating point processor featuring LINPACK performance of 300 kiloflops. Single unit price of the 6150 RTPC Model 125 is $16,100. Deck showed a new low-cost monochrome workstation called the VaxStation 2 RC, selling for about $15,000.
Cleaning up, be right back.
Making it price competitive with the monochrome Apollo DN3000 and the Sun 3110. The VaxStation 2 RC comes with a 19-inch monitor, 3 megabytes of RAM, a 75 megabyte disk, a 95 megabyte streaming tape, mouse, keyboard, Ethernet, and VMS Ultrix software. DEC also showed new configurations of its VaxStation 2 GPX that refined its color offerings to more precisely fit specific application requirements. The 8-plane model shown here sells for about $40,000 with 5 megabytes of RAM and similar peripherals. It features the X-Window user interface developed by MIT, which allows networking between windows, even to the point of different applications running under different operating systems within separate windows on the same screen. Apollo Computer helped pioneer scientific workstations and remains one of the world's leading vendors. In 1986, we saw Apollo's first model, the DN100, next to its current bestseller, the DN3000. The price-performance contrast after only 5 years was dramatic. When it was first introduced in 1981, the monochrome DN100 sold for about $35,000 and was rated at 0.3 MIPS. In 1986, the monochrome DN3000 sold for under $15,000 and was rated at 1.2 MIPS, 4 times the performance for less than half the price. Silicon Graphics introduced the Iris 4D60 Super Workstation in 1987, significantly raising the performance of the top of its product line while maintaining software and database compatibility with its older Iris 3030 and 3100 series of Unix workstations. The rapid growth of Silicon Graphics since its founding in 1981 is due in part to its pioneering use of custom VLSI for graphics processing. But energetic marketing and attention to the customer have also played an important role. The Iris 4D60 uses the new R2000 32-bit RISC processor from MIPS Computer as a CPU. The R2000, running at 8 MHz, performs integer processing at a sustained rate of 5 million instructions per second, 7 times the dry stone performance of a VAX 11780, and more than 3 times faster than the older Iris 3030. Floating point performance of the 4D is 25% faster than the 3030. It will increase another 200% when the new R2010 floating point processor from MIPS Computer becomes available. Increased compute power can be seen in this real-time demonstration. The system is recalculating this scene at the rate of about 5 frames per second, taking advantage of the system's optional 24-bit Z-buffer to do fast hidden surface removal. The Iris 4D still uses the company's patented Geometry Engine and Geometry Accelerator VLSI chips running at 10 MHz.
I hope the intermission was cool.
So, what is going to happen? We'll be here. Let me try to turn on the audio again. And tell YouTube. And then I can go to... No, I can do it here. Just continue working. All works. How exciting. I can go later when he wants to. Oh, there's something more on thread? No. Okay, what do I want to do? Yeah, I don't know. All that crap. Let me go over there. Right, I can't do any of those things. Look at that. Oh, look at that. What do you say? Let's see. You know what? Let me. Things are more fun if I use the effects mixer. Oh, it's done. I'm still getting the crazy fucking sound. So annoying. Yeah, that thing. Stop it. It's unacceptable. What can I do? What about this? Yeah, I cannot stand this anymore. This is just so crazy. Fuck you. Stop that. Yes, I'm yelling at a microphone. That's true. right here in front of my face, and I'm not like looking for it. Yeah, here it is. Got it. So, yeah, it was in front of my face, by the way. What if? There's like these little icons here, and I don't bother looking at them. I always plug it in the wrong one. No, that static is still real. So what I found in the past is that this is due to some kind of line noise or power issue. What if I independently power this bus? PC5. Let me see what I can do. Let me put something entertaining on first. Yeah, this is fucking ridiculous.
Hello, I'm John Fitz, MIT science reporter. We're at MIT's Lincoln Laboratory in Lexington, Massachusetts, a major research organization which has played an important role in developing this nation's defense systems since World War II. And although Lincoln Laboratory is perhaps best known for its work in radar and advanced warning systems, it has also seen the beginning of the computer era and has made many important contributions to it. To learn about some of its recent work in improving the relationship between man and this important machine, we talked with Professor Stephen Coons, an associate professor of mechanical engineering at MIT and co-director of the Computer-Aided Design Project.
John, we're going to show you a man actually talking to a computer in a way far different than it's ever been possible to do before.
Surely not with his voice.
No, he's going to be talking graphically. He's going to be drawing, and the computer is going to understand his drawings. And the man will be using a language, a graphical language that we call Sketchpad, that started with Ivan Sutherland some years ago when he was busy working on his doctoral degree. And you'll see a designer, effectively, solving a problem, step by step. And he will not, at the outset, know precisely what his problem is, nor will he know exactly how to solve it. But little by little, he will begin to investigate ideas. And the computer and he will be in cooperation, in the fullest cooperation in this work.
So now how does this differ from the way the computer has been used in the past to solve problems?
Well, the conventional way, the old way of solving problems with a computer, has been to understand the problem very, very well indeed, and moreover to know at the very outset just exactly what steps are necessary almost like a human assistant. And the computer will seem to have some intelligence. It doesn't really, only the intelligence that we put in it. But it will seem to have intelligence. In the old days, to solve a problem, it was necessary to write out in detail on a typewriter or in punch card form all of the steps, all of the ritual what it takes to solve a problem.
Because the computer is so literal-minded?
Because it's very literal-minded. If you, for example, in the old days, made so much as one mistake of a comma in the wrong place or a decimal point that was omitted, the entire program would hang up and wouldn't run. But nowadays, if you make a mistake, you can correct it, as you'll see, immediately, and the computer is